Okay. Well, recommendation for this class. Don't worry about mistakes. Every word you say is progress, right?
Mhm.
Your opinion matters is important in this case. It's so important, your opinion. The way you describe your book is unique, right? It doesn't matter if you had some mistakes by pronouncing it. So everyone commit mistakes, right? And now imagine I want you to read you my favorite book. Convince me in your own words, right? So now let's start. What is your favorite book? Tell me a little bit about your favorite book, Laura.
Mm, Genres.
The
Uh,
genre could be, yes, the genre.
um, I like where? Uh, mm, bueno,
Do you
I
like
this I stop. Bueno, my favorite book. Um, I I think that Atomic Habits.
Atomic Habit?
Atom,
Okay, I have heard about that book. Okay,
yes, but what is is this a personal growing? I don't know. What is
personal
the
growth.
genre? The genre? I okay. Yes. Mm, that book
And
I read.
sorry, Laura, tell me.
Okay, I read yes that book in a year ago, and I feel so happy because in that book there are a lot of keys and strategies for to make a better version for yourself. Mm,
It was personal growing. You told me that it was personal growing, right?
yes, because I am seeing the genres, but I don't know how it could
Mm,
be. Okay.
okay. Let me ask you other question. Why do you like it so much? Why? Is there a specific purpose for that?
Yes, because um, um, in that book I find a lot of strategies, and I realized that I could do other things for being better. Yes,
Ah, okay, like
I
implementing a habit.
yes. For example, I uh, look my routine
Yes.
initializing for the hour that I wake up, and finally the hour when I going to sleep. And for example, I see that I saw that I was losing a lot of time in Instagram or social media. Yes, and in that time I could do better things like to read a book, or for example take this interaction, this community interaction in language, and for example to do exercise. I am going to the gym. I was one year ago, and I take that position with that book.
Yeah.
Yes, because I yes I realized that I could be better.
You can like adding routines that can help you to like bro like I don't know, it's like breaking the same routine every day, right? Like the pouring routine. If you don't wake up early, so you can wake up early now. Or if you didn't, if
Yes,
you are not used to read a book, so now you get to use to read a book. That's the you thing you say.
yes. It's like atomic habits. It's like habits a little. But for example, the most important thing is not to go into a gym.
Hmm.
Instead, is to put the clothes the clothes for gym in the bed, for example. And when you see the clothes, your memory um, has
You
to
remember, like that thing is
remember,
important.
yes, remember that we have to go to the gym. Yes, there's no more
Okay.
option. And yes, this is the few habits that make a difference.
Yes, I agree. Maybe when you broke the you broke the habit to stay in one state in one place, then you go and I wanted to do it, and then you do it, and
Yes.
but what about what? How many days had to be to become an habit? How many days? Maybe where 1 week or 1 month to become that thing, become an habit.
Well, in that book, the writer don't well, doesn't speak about the time. Is well, there's a quote in the book. I don't remember for weeks.
One
I don't
week,
remember, but I think that the first step is to be conscious, consciente, ¿cómo se dice?
conscious, conscious, conscious,
That
conscious.
that for example you want to give a change, yes.
It,
Bueno, give no, bueno, tener, bueno, to have a change, and and later is the you have to do a
discipline, yes,
discipline,
discipline, discipline.
because all the changes are frustrating, are difficult, especially for your brain, because your brain also has to do the best, the easiest, and not to do the changes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
it's
that right.
like, for example, when we change the diet, the food, it's difficult because your brain wants to receive sugar
Yes,
and great food.
and
Sí.
And I have heard that if you, there is a technique that you can put in practice. For example, you say, I want to do something, right? But you have to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until 10. And when you count 10, you do it immediately. Because if you don't do it,
Mm,
that will convert an habit. You count 10 times, 10 seconds, and when you count 10, you do the habit immediately, and that is the first step to commit that habit, to begin with that habit. That's a key thing that I have read. Another book. There is another book about that talk about that, right?
okay.
Yes,
Mm,
that's cool. Tell me, Laura, what are the main characters, or maybe
no,
the person who wrote it,
okay. The person, but uh,
the person or
no, there's
the
no.
author or the author that wrote this book, maybe.
Mm, I didn't remember
You
the
know what's
name
like
of
a Japanese man? A Japanese man is not like a Japanese
all
man.
United States.
United States.
Okay.
It's like, you know. Okay,
Maybe,
that's right.
maybe
Oh,
accomplishment.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Oh my God. Well, the other question is, what would you recommend? What would you recommend it to others? Or would you recommend it to others? Why?
Yes, I will recommend for everybody that wants to change their life, and especially for my family, I gave the book for my mom and my dad, and my mom initiated the gym. Also, she is going to the gym since 6 months ago, and she sees she sees the changes in her strength and in other things that she can do independently.
Yeah.
For example, to give uh, electric food objects that are heavy.
Heavy, yes.
Yes, maybe if you can give yeah, if you can dar un regalo, if you can give a gift,
Give a gift to
that book
someone.
is special.
Okay, okay, that's good. Well, we're gonna continue. We have, oh my goodness, three more. We have 15 minutes, not yet. But now, what did you learn from the book? You have tell me about that, right? Or did you
Yeah.
learn about from that book? Did you tell me that? Or what did you learn
Yes,
from the book? Yes. Or can you tell me in a
I
specific way why did you learn from the book? What did you
there
learn from
are
that?
four laws, layers, laws.
Laws, yes,
Sorry.
laws.
Um, and first, you have to make attractive the habit easy. For example, if you want to go to the gym for the first time, you can choose the gym that you can go, that you have to take. You have to select the gym in the same way that every day you have, yes, because it is you.
It's like you
Mm,
say you wanna go, you make an easy way to do that thing, right?
yes, uh-huh.
Okay, I got
Mm-hmm.
it, got it.
And
Okay.
the visible also is another law. For
What?
example,
What? Sorry. What?
to make it visible,
Visible.
visible.
Okay. Visible. It's okay. Visible.
Mm-hmm.
Become visible. Okay. And what do you mean by that? Like to I don't know, maybe to view or to see that thing as something that you can do. Something
Yes,
that you can do.
well, to make the habit visible or to make visible. For example, when I was talking about the clothes in the bed, is in that way is visible for you, and you easily.
Ah,
Uh,
okay. Yes?
for example, when you have to take the drop or yes, drop the pastillita, you have to put
Like you
in
prepare all the food in the table and you say when I come home I eat it to get my muscles. To get
okay,
grow my
yes,
muscles maybe. Or you put your clothes on the bed and you say, "Oh, I see the clothes here and maybe I want to go to the gym." Right? Okay.
yes.
Now, how did you the book made you feel?
it makes me feel um, more conscious about myself, about the the way that I was using or my time. Yes,
Okay. A good
and
way to
I
use your time. Okay.
yes, and I did and it was like introspection.
Introspective. Think in yourself. Inner
Yes.
yourself. Okay. That's good. That's good thing to know. What other books by the same author have you read? Ah,
No,
you don't remember the author.
I
Okay.
don't remember the name. Yes,
I
yes.
don't I don't know. Okay, maybe I can go a searching to find the name. Okay, the name was the Atomic Habits, right?
Atomic Habits.
Atomic Habit, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna search it. So the last one, I did the last one. Yes. Would you make a movie based on the book? Why or why not? Would you make a movie based on that book?
Mm, yes, maybe because in that book there are some examples from situations when people for a specific law there are some examples of the real situations, and maybe the movie can be related to that example, and the people can find interesting,
Yeah.
and also
Okay.
como, ¿cómo se dice? Como, ay, ¿cómo se dice? O sea, las personas podrían como sentirse atraídas, de pronto y
Being
motivadas
at, being attractive. The people
eh, por,
can feel being attractive.
ujú,
Okay. Okay. That's that's good. Good comments. Very well. You have get a good job. And well, I'm gonna give you this assistance, right? In order to fill out, because it's important to fill out this form for you. It take like hours. Look, let me give you. Let me give you the link. So I give you the link. Yeah. And then you fill out this link, this form. So thank you, Laura, and see you other time. Thank you.
okay,
Thank you. See
Peter.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you for the topic.
Yes, have a
Atomic
good
habit.
afternoon.
Thank you. See you.
Bye, Peter.
Bye.